Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download and install new iOS update. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to check your update in settings and it's not showing there and try to get new update from iOS, then I'll show you how can you get it. So firstly what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Safari here. So once you have done this guys, just simply you have to search for beta profile start tab from here guys. So just simply you have to search for this. Here it is guys, just simply you have to go to that section. Now as you can see guys, here is the website. So from here guys, just simply you have to scroll down a bit. As you can see guys, here is the new iOS update, iOS 16.5 beta. Okay guys, just simply you have to tap on install profile and then tap on install again and wait some second from here and then tap on allow. Now profile downloaded, close this page from here. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to profile downloaded from here. Now tap on install from here guys, and here you have to put the passcode, and now tap on install again and again tap on install from here. Now tap on not now, and if you want to restart your device then you can do from here. Now tap on not now and then tap on done. Now it's done from here guys, and then go to software update from here guys. Now let me show you here if it downloaded or not. As you can see guys, iOS 16.5 developer beta is downloaded here. If you want to download and install, then you can do from here. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.